Homeowners seeking casement window installation League City, Texas can improve curb appeal, airflow, and efficiency with professionally fitted systems designed for Gulf Coast conditions. From new Casement Windows League City homes to full casement window upgrade League City projects, a trusted casement window contractor League City delivers precise measuring, secure installation, and smooth operation for residential casement windows League City in neighborhoods across South Shore Harbor, Victory Lakes, Magnolia Creek, and Bay Ridge. Casement Window Replacement League City, Texas is the right solution when windows stick, leak, rattle, or fail to lock properly in changing Texas weather. League City, Texas casement window replacement specialists handle casement window hardware replacement League City, casement window frame replacement League City, casement window sealing League City, and casement window maintenance League City, Texas for homes near League City. Energy-efficient casement windows League City help reduce heat gain, improve indoor comfort, and support lower utility bills in humid coastal climates. Many property owners choose energy-efficient casement windows in League City, Texas with double-pane casement windows League City, advanced weather stripping, insulated frames, and tight closing sashes for year-round performance near Clear Creek, Marina Bay Drive, League City Parkway, and League Park. Custom casement windows League City offer tailored sizing, premium materials, and architectural flexibility for both classic and modern homes. Whether you need custom casement windows near Marina Bay Drive League City for a contemporary remodel or wood casement window replacement in historic League City, Texas for a more traditional look, a reliable casement window company League City, Texas can match design goals, ventilation needs, and structural requirements. Vinyl casement windows League City remain a popular choice for affordability, low maintenance, and dependable weather resistance in coastal Southeast Texas. A leading vinyl casement window company in League City, Texas can provide affordable casement windows League City with durable frames, clean sightlines, and strong thermal performance for homeowners near Tuscan Lakes, Brittany Lakes, South Shore Village, and Magnolia Creek. Casement window frame replacement near Meadow Bend League City is essential when moisture, wear, or movement affects structural stability and operation. Experienced teams replacement damaged sills, cracked frame sections, worn hinges, and misalignment issues, while casement window hardware replacement near Hidden Lakes League City restores locks, operators, handles, and hinges for safe, smooth opening and closing in everyday use. Casement window replacement League City, Texas is ideal when older units are beyond replacement, inefficient, or no longer complement the home's style. From casement window replacement near Clear Creek League City to League City waterfront home casement window replacement, professionals can remove aging systems and install new casement windows near Magnolia Creek League City, Texas or home casement window upgrades in Victory Lakes League City with minimal disruption. Choosing the right casement window contractor League City means selecting a team with experience in installation, replacement, and product customization. For homeowners in League City, Texas seeking casement window installation League City, Texas, casement window replacement League City, Texas, or casement window replacement League City, Texas, the best path is a local expert offering custom casement windows League City, energy-efficient casement windows League City, and durable solutions built for Gulf Coast living.